How to merge photos to a PDF on your mobile. So in this video, I'll show you how to merge multiple photos into one single PDF document. Now there's two ways we can do this. The first method is by opening the Photos app, click on Select in the top right hand side, and then just select the photos you want to merge together. You can then click on the share icon in the bottom left, scroll down to the very bottom and select Print. Now click on the share icon, and as you can see, it's going to convert this into a PDF document. You can then just press Save to Files at the bottom of the page and click on Save. So now if I go and open up the Files app on my phone, you can see at the very top here we have this PDF document, and this is the PDF that we just created. Now there is a second way to do this as well if it's not working or you want more control over the PDF. So what you can do is open up an internet browser. Now in the search box, type in Photos to PDF and press search. You can then scroll down this page and click on ilovepdf.com. Now click on Select Images, click on Photo Library. Now once again, select the photos you want to convert. Once they've finished uploading, press Convert to PDF. You can then press Download, and as you can see, this has automatically converted these photos into a PDF. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.